has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 139, effective until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Brazoria, Fort Bend, and Galveston. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A severe thunderstorm